think I'm ready for my close-up.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this is my first video of the year. I know I'm late and I'm showing you guys this quick eyeshadow look today. So first I'm going to be jumping into my eyeshadow base. Of course, if y'all been here, y'all know this is NYX, and I'm just going to put this on my eyelid with a flat eyeshadow brush and making sure I'm carving this out, and I'm going to bring this up close to my eyebrow and I'm going to blend that out. And to set that, I'm taking my Airspun translucent powder. This is the clear one. And then I'm going to take this cream color and I'm going to put this in my eyebrow arch to set that. And then for my transitional color today, I'm taking Peach Passion from watching my Smoke Crayon Case palette. And I'm just going to blend this color up till I get the opacity that I want. Then I'm gonna go back into that palette. This color is Tropical Punch, and I'm gonna put this into my crease. And I just go back and forth between a dense brush and a fluffy eyeshadow brush to kind of, you know, build that color and then buff it out. So to give myself more of a purple, dark purple look, I took these two blue eyeshadow palettes from I think it's the second edition palette from BH Cosmetics. And I just wanted to have a dark blue. I just didn't want to use purple, so I used blue to get the color that I want. And I'm making a halo eye today, so I'm putting this in the outer corner and bringing this into my inner corner. And I just go back and forth between the color that I applied before and that color to get the color that I want. A lot of blending in this tutorial, so I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna take this pink color, Tropical Punch, and I'm just gonna put that in my water, like my, what's the thing called, I want to smoke it out under my eye. And then I'm gonna take the blue and bring it right in the outer corner and in my inner tear duct. I'm gonna take screwdriver, and then I take a black eyeliner and I'm just gonna water my waterline, and then I go back in with the same brush that I applied Tropical Punch and just blend that and smoke that out a little bit more to make it a little more seamless. And then back to my lid, I'm going to take my eyeshadow base and put this right into the center, and I'm using an angle brush, I think, to help me get a complete clean cut crease, kind of. And then I'm going to take this color. It's called Glitter Amethyst. I can't say it. I know I'm chopping it up from Kleancolor. And I put this on top of that. And then I'm going to take another eyeshadow of theirs. And this color is called Plum. I'm going to pop that right on the top of there. And then I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics palette. I'm going to take this purple iridescent looking color, and I'm just going to pop that right on the top of there. And I completed the rest of my eyes off camera, mascara, liner, and lashes off camera. I felt like it was self-explanatory. But yeah, this is the completed look, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell so you are notified. And I will see you guys later. Peace.